lips aren't really spot on, but hey there beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristen and I'm a professional makeup artist and esthetician. I've been doing makeup for about 10 years now, and I used to do makeup here on YouTube in 2008 until I started professionally in 2011. Now I've decided to come back and do videos again, and hopefully I know a thing or two more to show you guys. So in today's video, we're going to do a makeup tutorial slash copycat inspired look. So today's look is inspired by Sarian, and Sarian has put out a couple videos of this similar look of her yellow eyeshadow look. So today we're going to do a recreation of my take on it with what I have in my kit. So I'm super excited, and let's get started. So Bailey uses a single yellow eyeshadow, but today I decided to use the Jaclyn Vol.II. I thought, what better use than to do a fun yellow look. This is the yellow we're going to use today. It's called No Joke, and no joke, it's yellow. It's super pretty. So I haven't done anything really yet other than a skincare regimen and a primer. And the primer that I have on right now is the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer by First Aid Beauty. And I have that on right now, kind of just like setting in and soaking into my skin. Bailey does her face makeup first in the video. I'm not good at that. That's not how I do it. So I'm gonna do the eye makeup first and then the face. The first thing we're gonna do is take this e.l.f. eyebrow wax, and I'm just going to run it through my brows like this. Take my eyebrow spoolie here. So next I'm going to take a brow pencil. And this is the Morphe brow pencil, and I think it's in Biscotti. Oh, this guy here. Let's clean these up just a little bit with my spoolie. Bailey uses a yellow pencil to go over the eye before she puts down her yellow eyeshadow. I don't have a yellow pencil, so what I've decided to do is take Kat Von D's Lock It Concealer and White Out and mix it in with a little eye primer, and then put it on the lid and see what kind of pretty base that we get here. Then take a flat brush like all the brushes I'm using today are e.l.f. brushes. So this guy right here is the e.l.f. concealer brush. There's no numbers, it's just called a concealer brush. Okay, before it dries too fast, I'm going to take a dense eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. and kind of buff it and blend it in. She also puts it down at the bottom, so let's do that. Note to self, if you're going to use that, you need to blend it out immediately and not worry about the other eye at first, because we might have a little problem with blending that out. We'll see. But now, I'm going to take the yellow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am now going to put it on my eyelid. Let's see what we have here. Let's see, this is going to be hit or miss. I hope it works. Okay. Once that is on my eye, I'm going to take a fluffy brush with nothing on it, as she said. And I feel like I'm a bee, and this is my makeup being a bee. So she used the same brush for the under eye, but I'm going to use the contour brush by e.l.f. This guy here, it's like a domed brush. Let's move on to lashes. I'm going to use these really pretty lashes that I have, but before that I'm going to put on a little mascara. And this is the Essence I Heart Extreme Volume Mascara. My Duo Lash Glue. And these just gorgeous lashes, like these are so gorgeous. After I get my lashes on, I like to use these little baby eyelash curlers from Morphe to crimp down them to my natural lashes. I'm going to use a little eyeliner because the end is kind of bothering me a little bit, but that's the substitution that I'm going to use. This is the ColourPop BFF eyeliner, and it is in numero uno, which is black. Just a little bit of eyeliner in the center there, just to kind of connect the lashes to my lash line right in the beginning where I had to trim them. Let's go with the face real quick, and then we'll do the contour highlights and then the lip, and then we'll be all done. So I'm going to use the Camo Cream by e.l.f. and I'm going to take it on my e.l.f. buffing foundation brush, which is a really nice, fluffy, soft dome brush. That color? A little white. A little too white for me. So what I'm going to do is grab my favorite colors, Pearl and Cashew, from there. What I'm going to do is take Pearl, Cashew, and we're going to warm that up quite a bit. Let's add some definition. These little tiny spots where my brush was a little too big to get into. This is Laura Mercier in Transparent. I love Laura Mercier. I think it's a huge fan or a huge favorite of a lot of makeup artists. And now I'm going to take my setting spray, which is the Morphe Continuous Spray. Next, I want to take a really fluffy powder brush. This is the Flawless Face by e.l.f. And so I kind of want to dab it into my powder, knock off any excess that is on it, and kind of just the contour palette that I'm using today is going to be the Lorac Pro Contour. and I'm going to be using the medium contour shade. So with the Flawless face brush again, I'm going to take it onto the very side of it, tap away any excess, and I'm just going to start on this side. After her contour, she does a highlight. This is a highlighter, and of course it's by e.l.f, and this is their big highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. It is my absolute favorite. I've used it so much on myself that I don't have, like, the top is worn off, and then the inside of there there's a dent obviously, but there's not, like, I can't believe I haven't used it all. I don't have a good lip liner, but I do have a lipstick that I think will work. So this is called True Vixen. It's by NYX, the Pinup Pout line. So I'll show you here. It's a really dark, beautiful shade. So here we go. Let's see what it's gonna look like. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on underneath here. Do this. This is a look that I did. This was inspired by Sarian's yellow eyeshadow look. I hope you guys like it. Hopefully I can get a couple of good pictures and show you guys in our group. If you aren't part of our group, I will put the link down in the description. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it?